Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed your snow day. You're ready to go. Make sure you have a calculator. Today we're going to continue on word problems. We're going to do some age problems and then some money problems. So first, to warm up, Matt is 2 years older than twice Tommy's age. So we got another age problem here. Tommy is 20 years old. How old is Matt? So we're going to circle our key words. So is twice, okay? And then in the other one we got an is, so there's really only going to be an equal sign. So probably going to stick with two variables here. So M obviously will be Matt, and T will be Tommy. So it says Matt is, so Matt would be M equals 2 years older. So older, what do you think you're going to use? Addition or subtraction? Addition, good. So Matt is 2 years older, so 2 plus twice Tommy's age. The next sentence says that Tommy is 20 years old. So this one's pretty easy because we could already have this t equals 20 isolated, and we could put that in for the t in the Matt equation. So we know that Matt is 2 plus 2 times 20. So Matt is 42 years old. And we're done. Okay, so the easy age. Okay, so some more ages here. So we got Emerald is 5 years older than Alicia. So another is and an older. The sum, so sum is going to be addition. And we got your is, so there's where the equal sign is going to go. So I'm assuming we're going to use E and A for Emerald and Alicia. So this would be that Emerald, E, is, which would be equals, 5 years older, so we're adding 5 plus Alicia. The sum of their ages, so Emerald plus Alicia, is 27. So now, what's this set up to do? A little substitution, right? So we got Emerald equals 5 plus A, and that's going to substitute in for the E. So 5 plus A is equal to 27, or 5 plus 2A is equal to 27. Subtract the 5 over, so 27 minus 5 is 22, and then I'll divide by 2. So Alicia is 11 years old. So then we should substitute that back in to the box, and Emerald is going to be 5 plus 11, or 16 years old. Alright, next age problem. Mason's age is 14 more than 6 times Isaiah's age. The sum is 63. How old is each? So we'll use M and I. So Mason is, so that's equals 14 more, so that's going to be addition. 6 times Isaiah's age would be 6I. The second equation, Mason plus Isaiah, the sum of their ages, is 63. So again, I got this set up right away for substitution. That's going to go in for the M. So 14 plus 6I plus another I is 63. 14 plus 7I is 63. So now I'm going to subtract 14. 63 minus 14 is 49. And Isaiah is 7. Little Isaiah. I'm going to substitute this in to the box. So Mason is going to be 14 plus 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 14. Mason is 56. 42, 52, 56 years old. And that adds up. 56 plus 7 is 63, so we're right. Mason is old enough to be Isaiah's grandfather. Kind of. Number 3. The sum of the ages of Ravi and Yesha, and is a word for addition, is 38. Ravi's age decreased, that's a subtraction, twice his multiplication is 2. Find the age of each. So we'll use R and Y. So the sum of their ages, R plus Y, is 38. Ravi decreased, so subtracting, twice Yesha's age is 2. So this is set up right away to do elimination if I was to subtract the equations. So y minus negative 2y is 3y, and 38 minus 2 is 36. If you divide by 3, you get 12. So now I'm going to take this right back up to the top equation. So erase that. So it would be R plus 12 is 38. And then when you subtract 12 from both sides, we find that Ravi is 26. Yesha is 12. Okay. Money problems. How many of these we got here? Looks like we got 3 money problems to do. Okay. So, Alex and Martin buy passes to different gyms. Alex pays $25 to sign up, and then 3 times every time he visits the gym. $3 every time he visits the gym. Martin pays $19 to sign up, and then $5 per visit. So how many visits will they be paying equal? This really isn't really a system. It's really just setting up 2 equations, one for Alex and one for Martin. And the variable here, and the key word that tells us which variable it is the per visit. Okay? So visits is going to be the variable. How many times you visit the gym? So the Alex equation, he pays, and basically we got Alex, his payment is going to be $25 to sign up, and then $3 every time he visits. Martin, he pays $19 to sign up, and then $5 every time he visits. So how many visits will they be paying the same? So if it says same, equal, we're going to set them equal to each other. So 25 plus 3v is 19 plus 5v. So if I subtract the 3v over to the other side, I have 25 is 19 plus 2v. Subtract the 19 over, so 6 is equal to 2v, or v is equal to 3. So it'll take 3 visits for them to pay the equal amount. And that's all they're asking for, just wants how many visits. So we're done. Aruba and Andrea, are selling tickets for a high school football game. Student tickets cost $2 and general admission tickets cost $5. Both girls sell 210 tickets and collect $606. How many of each type of ticket did they sell? So if they want to know how many of each type of ticket, that means that we need to define 2 variables that represent each type. So we have, let's choose S for students and G for general admission. Alright, so the first sentence, or the second sentence, student tickets cost $2 and general admission costs $5. So it's going to be $2 for a student ticket and $5 for a general admission ticket. And when you sell all those tickets, you're going to earn $606. So that's your money equation. You got to have all your coefficients representing money. $2, $5, $606. They sold 210 tickets total, so the amount of students plus general admission is equal to 210. There's your system, and it's set up right now to do some elimination. So, say I want to eliminate the S. Well, then I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 2. So that's 2s plus 2g is 420. Copying the other equation over so I can line them up. And now I'm going to subtract. So 2s minus 2s is gone. 5 minus 2 is 3g. 606 minus 420 is 186. And if I divide by 3 on both sides, you get 62. So 62 general admission tickets were used. So now I'm going to take the amount equation and say I got S plus 62 is equal to 210. Subtract 62 from both sides. 210 minus 62 is 148. So I sold 104, or not I'm sorry, didn't mean to take your credit there, Aruba and Andrea. Students, 148 tickets, 62 general admission tickets. Alright, number 3, Bree and Brittany go to Taco Bell. Bree buys 3 soft tacos and 3 enchiladas. Brittany bought 1 soft taco and 2 enchiladas. If Brittany paid $18 and Bree paid only $10, that seems wrong to me. I think you got to make a change here. I think Bree is paying the $18. She bought more food. And Brittany, so Brittany, is going to pay the $10. Yeah, that seems correct. So switch those names in that third sentence there. How much does a taco and enchilada cost? So let's use T for taco and E for enchilada. So we're going to write a Bree equation. Bree buys 3 tacos and 3 enchiladas and spends $18. Brittany buys 1 taco and 2 enchiladas and she only pays $10. So this is set up to do elimination. Which one do we want to eliminate? I think T would be best because 1 goes into 3 evenly. So we're going to have to multiply the bottom equation by 3. And that's going to be 3T plus 6E is 30. Copy over my other equation. And now I'm going to subtract. So 3T minus 3T is nothing. 3 minus 6 is negative 3E. And 18 minus 30 is negative 12. So an enchilada is going to cost $4. So now we're going to go to one of the equations. I think that if we use Brittany's equation, it's lower numbers, so I'm going to use it right here. So T plus 2 times 4 is equal to 10. So T plus 8 is equal to 10, or a taco is $2. So it costs $2 for a taco and $4 for an enchilada. Any minute now, my daughters are going to come bursting in this room because they're fighting over a Taylor Swift song upstairs. I can't understand these people. Alright. I'll keep the video playing during it too, because it'll be funny. Alright, here we go. Part 3. Try yourself. So we got 2 we could try ourselves here. We got an age problem, and we got a money problem. So right now, go ahead and try these 2. Please press pause on the video. Let them try it, and then we'll go over the solutions. Ready, set, pause. Okay. So now, here's the solutions. We have Jose and Angel. The sum of their ages is 29. Shh. Jose's age is half. So we got is and half of Angel's age increased by 5. Increased is an addition word. And we're going to find the ages of Jose and Angel. So we'll use J and A. So, shh, girls, go upstairs or be quiet. Sorry about that. Jose plus Angel is 29 years old. Jose is half of Angel's age, so 1/2 A increased by 5. Shh. So this is set up right now to probably do some substitution. So I'm going to box the 1/2 A plus 5, and I'm going to put that in for J. So 1/2 A plus 5 plus A is equal to 29. Combine like terms, a half plus 1 is 3/2 A plus 5 is 29. 3/2 A, when I subtract 5 over, you get 24. And then when you divide by 3/2, and you're using a calculator for this, Angel is 16. Okay. Now I'm going to take that and substitute it back into the box. So half of 16 plus 5 is 8 plus 5, which is 13 years old. So Jose is 13, Angel is 16. Raise your hand if you got that. Alright, and the last one. Julius, Antonia, Mia, Desmond, and Jasmine go out to eat one night and buy 4 hamburgers and 6 cheeseburgers for $24. Eric, Diego, Joaquin, Chuck, and Giselle buy 5 hamburgers and 3 cheeseburgers for $16.50. How much does each hamburger and each cheeseburger cost? Shh. So we got, this is just like this problem up here, this Bree and Brittany problem, where you're going to write the cost of the first group's equation and the cost of the second group. So we have hamburgers and we have cheeseburgers. So the Julius, Antonia, Mia, Desmond, and Jasmine group, they buy 4 hamburgers and 6 cheeseburgers for $24. Eric, Diego, Joaquin, Chuck, and Giselle buy 5 hamburgers and 3 cheeseburgers for $16.50. I'm pressing pause to yell at people. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So now, this is set up for elimination. I think the easiest one to eliminate would be the C's, because 3 goes into 6. So I'm going to multiply by 2. And now I got 10H plus 6C. $16.50 times 2 is $33. Then I got 4H plus 6C equals 24. And now I'm set up to eliminate by subtracting. 4 minus 10 is negative 6H. And 24 minus 33 is negative 9. So when I divide by hamburgers, you get negative 9 divided by negative 6, which is equal to $1.50. So now I'm going to take this and substitute it back into, let's go with the first equation, even numbers. So 4 times $1.50, that's $6. So 4 times 150 plus 6C is 24. So 6 plus 6C is 24. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. So 6C is 18. And a cheeseburger is $3. So it costs twice the amount of money to have a cheeseburger. That must be really good cheese. That's it. So nothing like a 25-minute video. So now you got 25 minutes to get this the homework day 10 done. Alright, so got all this time, get that work done, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully. Alright, have a good rest of your day. Work hard the next 20 minutes or so, whatever you have left in class. Thanks, guys.